Hey guys, this is Fundo on One Show Pagama. Tonight on Imbewu, MaNdlovu refused to bless Sebenzile marriage to Phakade and seems like Sebenzile got disappointed. And MaNdlovu don't want Sebenzile and Phakade to use her husband church for married. Mira spells the beans about Shira paternity and Joyce wants Nairobi and Shira out of Prenevia house. At the commune, Poppy tries to be sex for two shilling, but fails halfway through. Meanwhile, Zetulele thing he coached Nokuzola and Nkululeko in a romantic moment. He found Nokuzola kissing Nkululeko on the office, and it seems like Zetulele got disappointed to see his wife with another man he hates. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.